Hello and welcome to our presentation. Today we'll be discussing the ASIN sales by date report found in the Orders ASIN Sales section of Communique for Marketplaces. My name is Tom and I'll be your presenter for this video. Communique for Marketplaces is an enterprise-level cloud reporting platform designed for e-commerce merchants just like you. Communique features over 220 standard reports, dashboards, and utilities. It is remarkably intuitive and easy to use. In no time you'll be running reports just like a pro. The ASIN Sales by Date report displays a list of product sales by Amazon Standard Identification Number, also known as an ASIN, for the period selected and the filters applied. An ASIN is a unique identifier comprised of 10 alphanumeric characters for products sold on Amazon.com. It is primarily used to identify products within their product catalog. An ASIN can have multiple FN SKUs and merchant product SKUs assigned to it. The ASIN Sales by Date report will summarize a variety of metrics like order and unit sales, product sales, revenue, cost of goods, gross margins, and more for every SKU in your catalog with the same ASIN. Additionally, there are grand totals for each of the sales metrics located in the report footer so you can view the report sales summary. Let's get started with the ASIN Sales by Date report presentation for Marketplace Reporting. Go to the Orders menu located in the ribbon bar and select the ASIN Sales by Date report. Right mouse click anywhere in the report and select Search from the pop-up menu. Let's discuss the available filters for this report. The date range option located upper left of the data filters is set to 30 days by default. This date range will retrieve and display qualified sales for the last 30 days summarized by ASIN. You can select any range you like using the selectors or manually adjust the starting and ending dates to whatever range you require. In the lower left of the data filters are the date options which determine which date type is used for selecting sales data. The order date is selected by default. The order date is the preferred date when executing order and sales reports like the ASIN Sales by Date. The filter options found in the upper right of the data filters have no options. The next set of filters are the order status options. The default status is shipped and pending. The data filters for this report include additional filter tabs located at the bottom. You can filter by brands, categories, countries, fulfillments, marketplaces, orders, pay methods, products, referrals, ship service, suppliers, states, and warehouses. Now that we've explained the filter options and what they mean for this report, let's review ASIN Sales. Click the Apply button to apply the filters for the ASIN Sales by Date report. As you can see, there are 2,177 ASINs listed for this report. Before we begin discussing the data columns for this report, go to the Configure section located at the top right of the ribbon bar and click on the Display button. Select the Fees % column option found in the Column Options section. Go to the Report Settings section and select the Show Find Panel option. Once these options have been selected, click the OK button to apply the changes and return to the report. Let's look at the data columns for this report so we can explain what each column represents. The ASIN column is a unique identifier of 10 alphanumeric characters assigned by Amazon for this product. It is primarily used to identify products within their catalog. The remaining columns are total for each data point based on the period selected and filters applied. The Order and Units column represent the total number of orders and units sold for the ASIN. The Sales column are the total sales for the ASIN. The sales value are the units multiplied by the sales price. The Min column represents the minimum or lowest recorded sales amount for the product. The Max column represents the maximum or highest recorded sales amount. The Average column represents the average sales amount for the item. The Range column represents the difference between the max and min sales amount. The Range % column represents the % difference between the max and min sales amount. The Sales Tax column represents the sales tax collected from customers for their purchases. The Ship Fee column represents the shipping amount collected from customers to ship their orders. The Discount column represents the promotions and incentives applied to orders. The Revenue column represents the total amount charged to customers for the orders. The Revenue column comprises the sales plus ship fees plus taxes minus discounts. The COGS column is the total cost of goods sold. Cost of goods is the cost per unit multiplied by units sold. The cost per unit can be the actual vendor cost or it can be a combination of costs reflecting the landed cost for the ASIN. The Ship Cost column represents the total cost paid by the merchant to ship orders to customers for their purchases. The Fees column represents the amount paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. The Fees % column represents the percentage of fees paid for marketplace sales and payment processing. You may be wondering how we got these fees. The fees for each product and order are either calculated as an estimated fee or the fees are the actual charges from the Amazon settlements. The Gross Margin column represents the net amount or sales profit after revenue is tallied and costs are subtracted, including sales tax. The gross margin percent represents the percentage of the net amount or sales profit in relation to the net revenue. Net revenue is a term we use for revenue less sales tax. The last date and days column work together. The last date is the last recorded ASIN sale date for the item. The days column is the number of days since last sale. The days represent the number of days between today and the last date. The report footer contains the grand totals and averages of each column for all ASIN sales displayed in this report. All sales reports have a similar layout to the ASIN sales by date report. You can use the lessons learned with this presentation for those reports. Recall the Show Find Panel option we enabled for this report. Look at the bottom left of the report below the column footers. You'll see an area with the text Enter Text to Search Edit box besides Find and Clear buttons. Enter 991. As you can see, there are 17 ASINs listed on the report with ASIN values containing the Find value. Click on the Clear button to restore the report to its original 2,177 ASINs. Let's try something different which illustrates the true power of this feature. Type the value of 54 in the Edit box and click on the Find button if the report is not automatically filtered. There are now 324 ASINs listed on the report. The power of the Find panel feature is easily illustrated on screen. Every single reference for the value of 54 is highlighted regardless of the column. Communicate for marketplaces provide powerful filtering tools. It allows you to dimension your data as you see fit so you can find data that matters most to you. This concludes our presentation of the ASIN Sales by Date report found in the Orders ASIN Sales section of Communicate for Marketplaces. In summary, the ASIN Sales by Date report is an easy-to-use report for ASIN sales analysis, data mining, and business intelligence. The display options provide for easy report customization, allowing you to add or remove columns and features as necessary. The Find panel feature allows you to easily find data in all columns of the report for matching values. Reports are crucial for any business, especially yours. Marketplace Reporting provides you with better reports so you can have better results for your business. You can contact us at sales@marketplacereporting.com to learn more about Marketplace Reporting and how we can help. You can join the conversation at marketplacereporting.com/blog. Be sure to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and share with your colleagues. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.